Oral Maxillofacial Surgeons Day is celebrated on 13th Feb every year in our college. And this year too, we had a series of events. One of them included 3D model making, and we also participated in the same. So in this video, I'll take you through everything that happened on that day, and also I'll show you how actually do these competitions happen. I'll also show you my part and the role that me and my friends played during the whole event. So stay with me during this video. You'll get to learn a lot. You'll also get how to answer to various questions and all.
The name only suggests associated with disease.
Which are the potential malignant lesions of the oral cavity. So our focus is mainly on the oral submucous lesions and oral submucous fibrosis and leukopenia. So we are focusing on the clinical features, etiology and management of these two lesions. So first of all, we are representing the oral submucous fibrosis, which has mainly two stages, prodromal stage and the advanced stage. So prodromal stage, there are mild symptoms like vesicles on the palate, ulcerations on the buccal mucosa, and also on the palate. And there is also excessive salivation during that time, and also
हो जाती है वेस्क्युलैरिटी और उसके स्टिफनेस आ जाती है मैम एरिकानेट इज अ मेन कंपोनेंट है सो मैम अल्कोहल उसको थोड़ा मतलब एग्रीवेट करती है और
What component of arecanut you are mentioning affects?
अल्कोहल और फ्लेवर
How does it affect?
सर ये फाइब्रोसिस बताती इंक्रीज करती है कोलेजन की प्रोडक्शन के ज़्यादा होने के साथ और सर वो वेस्कुलरिटी कम हो जाती है
then we can prevent it by giving immunomodulatory drugs, that is the corticosteroids, which will help in reduction of the fibrogen deposit. And then we can also provide the intralesional injection by placental extract, which also helps in reducing the fibrosis. And then there is physiotherapy. We can do the forcible mouth opening using physiotherapy. And then we have diathermy and cryosurgery, which also helps.
Surgical
in
option
reduce
is the last to
stiffness.
remove the
if
ligaments.
still we are not able to manage the oral submucous fibrosis, we can go further into surgical treatment.
Which antioxidant is uh, good for submucous fibrosis, which is highly present in your vegetable also?
B
B
complex.
विटामिन सी
Yes, lycopene. So lycopene किसमें सबसे ज़्यादा होता है?
Ketchup में होती है?
केचप में तो सब चला जाता है।
How you support it? Raw में होगी कि cooked में होगी ये बताओ।
रॉ में होगी सबसे
Sure. Sure.
Sir, oxidation prevent.
रिएक्टिव ऑक्सीजन स्पीशीज का नाम सुना है कुछ रिएक्टिव ऑक्सीजन स्पीशीज ROS हाउ दे आर डैमेजिंग द सेल्स
थोड़ा सा कॉटरी के बारे में बताना
Sir, it can be monopolar or dipolar.
डाई
Dipo
डाई बाई
bipolar, sorry. Bipolar and monopolar. Sir, basically in oral surgery we mainly use the monopolar, and
what is
it
the
can,
significance of you presenting it here? How is it useful for your project? What is it?
sir, removal of the oral lesion.
Which lesions?
OSMF में leukoplakic animals. If it is small and age of the patient is,
If a patient comes to you in the OPD with OSMF,
yes, sir.
you will do this?
No, sir. That's the last stage. If nothing is working.
It's part of the surgical procedure. Okay? You use it for the surgical, either for the inside incisions or you for use for excisions, right?
Him-
And अगर कहीं bleeding हो रही तो bipolar cauteries वहाँ पर vessel को control bleeding control करने के लिए use करते हैं. Otherwise, they are not primarily used for treating cancer for any kind of surgical procedures these days. They are, right? Well, all the participants, thank you very much for participating.
So we were the group 5 and we were the last to perform, and in the end we also received the certificate of participation, every one of us. And then the results were announced after like 10 minutes after the tea break. And finally we bagged the second position for our performance. First prize was also won by the final year student group.
हम सेकंड है
हाँ, हम second
और फर्स्ट वाला
और
हुआ है
first वाला हमारा हुआ है और जो इसमें बहुत ही
काफ़ी अच्छा मॉडल है और काफ़ी देर से काम किया है इन लोगों ने। ये इसका ही आइडिया था मेनली, गुड जॉब। और ये बाकी के मॉडल्स हैं। चलो ओके बाय। We also made this rangoli on the last minute. We really got very less time, but still it turned out to be really pretty. Hey guys, हम सब रंगोली बना रहे हैं।
इतना गैप
मैं मेरी वीडियो बना
Curable? You must have learned about the stages of cancer, stage 1, 2, 3, 4. Are all the stages curable? Not curable. You know, every cigarette that you smoke, you lose out on 11 minutes of your life. Every pack that you smoke, you lose out on 3.5 hours of your life. A person who dies of smoking dies 14 years less. Tobacco consumption, smoking, and tobacco in any form is the most dangerous. If caught early and at time, it is 100% curable. But the catch is, Premji, but the catch is that you need to catch it early. The advantage with oral cancer is that you can see it. Other solid body organ cancers, hello, here. Other solid body organ cancers, stomach, liver, are very aggressive. You are not able to see them very soon. So the advantage of oral cancer is you are able to see it. And every 1 hour in India, every 1 hour, we are losing one patient at least with oral cancer. Although it is curable. If you go by the statistics, it is one patient every 1 hour. You can just imagine the mortality associated with it now. Earlier, oral cancer used to be a very rare thing. Now it is more common because of the abusive things. Now we have a patient here. He came to us here about, I think, a year and a half back. So that's when it was misdiagnosed everywhere. People could not find out that it's cancer. So the most important thing, takeaway point from this is that you need to know how it looks like. An ulcer in the oral cavity which is not healing for 3 weeks is significant of being suspicious. That is the first and foremost point. Once we diagnosed him, we saw him. I just saw it and it felt like this is cancer. Then we took it, something known as biopsy for the people who don't know about it. You sample, you take a part of the entire thing, you sample it, and comes out as cancer or non-cancerous, whatever. If it is cancer, it is then manageable. There's something known as treatable, something known as curable. Treatable is you're just symptomatically treating it. दर्द हो रही है उसको ठीक कर दिया, swelling है उसको ठीक कर दिया, all those things. Curable is when you can remove it from its core, make it zero, and make him absolutely fine. Can you just look at him? He's had a surgery. He's had radiation therapy. He's absolutely fine. He's walking. He wanted to come cycling today to the institute. So that is the power of early diagnosis. आप बेटी बताओ.
मेरे 14 दांत निकल चुके थे यहाँ पहले, तो जब एक और निकालने लगे तो मेरे को महसूस है कि यहाँ कुछ गड़बड़। तो मैंने डॉक्टर साहब को बताया कि ऐसे कुछ गड़बड़ है। इन्होंने कुछ क्या, एक छोटा सा सेंटर पूछ लिया, तो फिर उन्होंने ऑपरेशन किया। उन्होंने कहा कि शक लग रहा है कि कैंसर हो सकता है या
neck node dissection, and
we reconstructed with the flap from here. This was ordered, and imagine the cost. Any random guesses?
Treatment.
This was done free of cost for him because of his card.
So this you need to understand. Because you need to impart that knowledge to the people as well. That most of the people think it is out of our range, we will not be curable, first thing. Second, we don't have the finances to manage that thing. So the government is providing those cards now, Ayushman cards. With that, the doctor is going to get its fees. That is a separate part. But the patient is getting the treatment for free. Right? So as oral healthcare workers, as I've told you earlier, you have the opportunity also, and you are blessed to tell people that you are suffering from a disease. Mouth is the mirror to the body, isn't it? So with the mouth itself, अगर आप examination करते हो, you can find hundreds of diseases at one instance. आपको देखते ही पता चल जाता है कि yes, the person is suffering from this, right? But with the proper education, right? So whenever the patient reports, now if this patient has come here, we have seen while extracting the tooth that there is some ulcerative lesion which was non-healing for such a long time. And remember, most of the times, the ulcers which are associated with oral squamous cell carcinoma are normally non-painful. तो सबसे बड़ा होता है, लोग आते हैं ना आपके पास, आराम से आकर बोलेंगे मेरे दर्द नहीं हो रहा जी, छाला तो है काफी पर मेरे को प्रॉब्लम नहीं दे रहा. दिस मीन इट इज मोर डेंजरस. अल्सर है, पेन नहीं करा, दिस मीन इट बिकम्स ऑल द मोर डेंजरस. जब तक वो किसी वाइटल स्ट्रक्चर पे इंपिंज नहीं करेगा, पेन नहीं करेगा. बट द एब्सेस अल्सर जो आपको नॉर्मल अल्सर होता है स्ट्रेस की वजह से, दैट्स द मोस्ट पेनफुल अल्सर. यू नो, एंड पेन इज द सोर्स ऑफ दिस लाइफ ऑन दिस प्लैनेट. रिमेंबर दैट. जब तक पेन है आपको, यू आर जिंदा, यू आर अलाइव. पेन नहीं है, दिस मींस दैट पार्ट इज डेड. Remember that. For more than 2 to 3 weeks without any defined etiology. Defined etiology means वहाँ पर कोई sharp tooth तो नहीं है जिसको impinge कर रहा है. Because of that it is non-healing. Or maybe due to some other cause, the ulcer is not healing. Maybe due to the poor oral hygiene. Maybe due to very bad dentition. Or maybe due to some kind of trauma. If it is not healing. You rule out the causes. After ruling out all the causes, still, अगर अभी भी ulcer heal नहीं हो रहा है, this means that ulcer is suspicious. You need to take out a piece of it. छोटा piece with the margins, send it for biopsy. That is the histopathological examination under the microscope. And you find out.
And then some of us went outside the college to spread awareness regarding the same.